How to delete health data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find the Health app and tap on it. You are now in the Health Settings page where you can manage your medical ID, share data with apps and devices, view and manage data sources and more. Over here, go to the Data section and tap on Data Access and Devices. On this page, go to the App section at the top and tap on Health. Now, tap on Delete all data from Health below as shown. Tap on Delete again to confirm. This will permanently delete all your health data from this app. Following these steps, you can easily delete health data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.